Can you see this beautiful view? Just kidding. It's just a picture. Got you there, right? I just want to roam around the world and slay monsters. Is that creepy or what? Oh yeah, that's more than pretty cool. Hey guys, it's me again. The weather forecast has failed me once again, but I'm prepared, so we are gonna be okay. So like, the rain is not too bad. It's supposed to rain for like 2 or 3 more hours, but once we get to the actual forest, I think we are gonna be okay, right? Really, today is in the name of water, obviously. I hope the audio is going to turn out okay, because I can't really plug in my mic in this weather, you know. This part of Beskid is really pretty. We are like literally on the border with Poland, and Slovakia is not far to the east either, so that's pretty cool, right? So that was the river Olsa, that comes from Poland and goes all the way to Odra and then to the Baltic Sea. That's the creek. Oh yeah, that's cool. And that was the Polish border. So to the right of us is Poland, to the left is Czechia. First peaks to the creek called Bystry Potok. As usual, we are hiking off trail, marked trail. I mean, there's obviously a road right now, but you know. So this area is actually known for wolves. So if we are lucky, very lucky, I mean, we might get to see one, but I don't think so. There were reported several attacks on unguarded sheep and dogs and other domesticated animals this year. Let's continue. The incline is slowly getting steeper and steeper, and I'm getting really steamy now under this poncho, so I don't want to sweat too much. It's only like 10 degrees today. Hiking in the rain is very pretty, very beautiful, but it is a bit annoying dealing with the rain. Also, the worst part is this poncho limits my field of view, right? So I like to be aware, see everywhere. This is a old border stone, and I just realized We are actually in Poland right now. This is why I insisted on my camera to be weather sealed, and I'm glad I did. Oh yeah, the incline is starting to pick up now. Look, droppings. I'm starting to doubt. I'm starting to doubt my choice of trail. We are soon about to enter the mist. Nice little creek. This forest pretty thick, pretty nice. That's pretty cool. Also, we are finally almost at the top and at the trail, so that's nice. Dude, it looks did look so cool. The trail finally. Oh yeah, if only I have walked on the trail instead of these random ass paths, you know. I could have been a lot more drier, but where's the fun in that? I don't hike in the rain very often, but when I do, I make sure I go all in. Here's the trail marker. There shouldn't be any more uphills really today. Look at this freaking picture. Is that creepy or what? It means that you are entering this forest at your own risk. So, this is it. This is Kyčera. Today's goal, or one of the goals. I mean, the views leave something to be desired, but it's still pretty nice, right? Now it's a few kilometers on this ridgeline, which is straight on the border between Czechia and Poland. I have hiked this mountain once, probably like 5 or 6 years ago, as a part of a backpacking trip. Can you see this beautiful view? Just kidding, it's just a picture. Got you there, right? I got you good. It's okay, I'm known for that. For getting people, you know. Oh yeah, the views today. Amazing. Pretty cool rocks. I saw something in the map, but didn't realize we are this close. I could imagine the views from that. Not today though. The wind keeps doing this. It's mildly annoying because I would prefer to see with both of my eyes. So this is what I brought to make the coffee today. Little solid fuel stove. Wait, is this the right way? Yeah, I think so. Let's try this. This lighter is not working. Thankfully, there were matches inside, so let's use those. I would have died in a survival situation. Let's see if it can heat 200 milliliters of water. The weather today is really unforgiving, that's for sure. Fall is coming. I feel like I've been robbed of summer this year because the whole August it was raining. And yeah, summer is over now. And fall is here. Like it or not. So, I'm back on the move. I am a bit cold now, so time to move. Anyway, we have learned 2 things today. 1, get better rain gear. And 2, don't hike in tall wet grass like this. I know this is not grass, but point still stands. Don't hike in tall wet stuff. That was a mistake. Going off trail in this weather was a mistake, that's for sure. I wouldn't be surprised, I wouldn't be surprised if I find fish swimming in my boots when I get back to the car, because it's ridiculous. I could always hide in one of these. I actually slept in one once. I might show you a picture. Yeah, that was my one and only solo backpacking trip so far, when I slept in one of those. It was a bigger one than this, so there was enough space for me to lie down. I can't believe this. There's actually sun shining right now. I mean, almost. It's still behind the clouds, but we are actually gonna get some views now. It's pretty cool too. Oh yeah. That's more than pretty cool. Look at those freaking clouds though. There is something. There is quite something. It's pretty cool. I assume you can rent those and sleep there. It's a beautiful hotel. So, if you enjoyed today's rainy adventure, consider subscribing, liking the video, or commenting. Or, if you didn't enjoy it, you can dislike. I mean, you can. Don't do it though. Don't do it. I'm not ending actually. I might still record some stuff, so not so easy, okay? Not so easy. Look at all these houses. And the people actually live here. That's amazing. I can't imagine what it's like when the snow falls though. It is starting to rain yet again, but we shouldn't be far from the car now. That's the road that we hiked on, so now it's just, you know, we need to get down. I've been reading The Witcher again for the third time now, I think, or fourth, I don't even know anymore. But every time I read those masterpiece, I just want to roam around the world and slay monsters. Like, those books speak to me so much. That is the exact spot of my car. Look, friends. Yeah, turn it up. Sweet mother of dry shoes. Oh yeah. Time to go.